Dave, the owner. You can call the search in search. Yeah, pick a picture.
I don't leave out of town. I had to drive an hour and a half, even though I live on the other side of town.
What happened? Why is it Why is
The
it
river
flooded?
flooded.
River?
A river flooded. Yeah.
Guys, good morning. Nagbabalik ang lakay. Ayan, magpapakrudo na tayo at magsisimula na tayo sa ating trabaho. Anyway, first of all, ayan, nakailang oras ako rito. Sarap matulog, oh. Naka 17 hours and 39 minutes.
Wow!
Oh, ayan, 17 hours and 40 minutes na akong naka off duty. So, mula dito hanggang sa dideliveran ko, which is 225 miles.
Please drive to highlighted route.
Last time I checked yesterday. Yan, 225 miles, tatlong or 3 hours and 34 minutes lang. Bukas pa ang delivery ko, kaya hindi ako nagmamadali. Kaya may chance tayo. But anyway, let's go. Mag-pre-trip na ako at magpakrudo tayo. Pultangin na natin si Cordapia para rekta-rekta na rin tayo. Let's go. Alright. So ilan ba? Bumaba. $4 and 70 cents lang. Oh, DF yan. Ito. Diesel 5.25. Ang isang galon ng isang diesel dito. Okay. Tractor. Skip. Go 098 1 4 29. Enter. Okay, tara sa kabila. Dumi ng truck, guys. Hugasan ko ito. Hugas tayo, hugas. Tara, pre-trip tayo. Linisin muna natin to, ano. Morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah. All right. Me?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
Turkish.
Yeah, no, I'm not Turkish.
You're not Turkish?
Yeah, but this company in Winnipeg, I don't know the owner. Probably it's Turkish.
Got it. I'm
You're-
Turkish, that's why.
You're Turkish?
Yeah, I'm Turkish.
Okay.
Yeah, what's up?
I have a vlog. Say hi.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Hi, man. How's it going?
Good morning. Good, good.
Okay, good.
Where are you from? Canada, America?
I live in San Diego.
California?
California.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you think this is Turkish? Probably the owner is Turkish. I don't know.
I noticed that, man.
It's a white. It's a white person.
Do you know his name?
Dave, the owner. You can call the search in.
Yeah. let me
Search.
take a picture
Yeah.
of that.
Take a picture.
That's awesome.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Have a good day. Okay. Turkish daw siya, guys. Turkish. Okay. Alright guys, tara. Ikutan na natin ang truck. Nagulat naman ako dun sa taong yon. Basta na lamang lumapit. Akala ko kung ano yung sasabihin niya. Turkish pala. Pinipicturan pa niya eh. Pinipicturan pa niya yung company ko. Alright. Oh, okay. So meron na naman tayong tatrabahoin, guys. Wala, siraan na naman yung aking ilaw dito. Bakit kayo lagi nasisira? Lagi ko namang ginagawa. Yan oh. Ay, nako. So, free trip, free trip. Lights. Ah, umiilaw lahat. Okay. Ayos. Wala akong napapansin hindi maganda rito. Okay naman siya sa awa ng Panginoon. So, alright. Lights. Hanggang sa taas, ayos. Silk, dalaw silk. Ayos. Okay guys, okay. Okay. Ayun. Report pa, marami pa, okay ba yan? So, temperature 30 28 ang set point, ayos. Tapusin natin ang pagpakrudo. Okay. So traktor. Malinis. You can call them. Google it and call them if you want.
Okay.
Google them and call them.
Yeah.
Kaya sa lot of truck na unag.
Yeah.
13 the price.
Everything is going to their space, right?
Yeah.
Everything's safe.
That's it. Ayun. Mabait. Nakangiti. Alright guys. So, bali nakapagpakrudo ako ng 206.7 gallon. I-times mo yun guys sa $5 and 29 cents. So, $5 and 30 cents kami mo na lang. Yan. Kayo nang bahalang magkwenta kung ilan yun. Owner operator life would be like puro sa crudo na lang pupunta ang kinita. Kamahal kasi. Punta muna ako sa washroom guys, tapos tuloy-tuloy na tayo. Yes! Alright guys, yan. kumaliwa ako dito sa may kanto, malapit na nga ako, 9 miles na nga lang. Kailangan ko pa umikot ng almost 20 miles para makabalik doon. Gawa nga ng mayroon daw baha dyan. Sabi ni Boss Diyos, nag-text sa akin, sabi, "You're gonna have a fun detour." Pan-detour pa talaga, no? Most of the area north of New London is flooded. You should have went through Stevens Point to come up from the south side. You will need to head west on 22, then south on 110 to the 10 in Weyuwega, then the 10 to the 45 to get to New London. Mahaba pang dito rito guys. Kaya pala meron akong nakita ron na barikada, tapos may pulis. Patay tayo. Tapos nag-text ito ngayon lang, oh. Anong oras na? 3:09. Tapos ang text niya is 3:05, 2 minutes. Kailan naka record na ako. Hindi man lang niya sinabi agad-agad. Mukhang busy si Boss Diyos, ah. Busy. Text niya sa akin. Sablay. Dagdagan tayo. Dagdagan tayo ng 20 miles na tatakbuhin. Ewan ko bakit siya binaha, bakit may baha dyan. Supply pa naman guys, kapag ganitong detour, wala namang extra bayad to eh. Masarap sana kung may extra bayad ka sa miles. Kasi extra consumption ka na ng crudo yun eh. Supply. may detour siya. Detour, South 45 ito. Tama yung sinasabi ni Diyos, 45 daw. So ngayon, nandito tayo sa 22. Mga 11 miles pa, kakaliwa tayo. Supply. Guys, yan. Itong mga sign, no? South 110. So, andito tayo sa 22. Ayan, South 110. Diretso lang tayo rito. Tama itong mga sinasabi ni Diyos. And then, after that, sa number 10 highway. Ano? 22, 110. Dito, diretso lang tayo. South 22, 110. Ano? Detour. South 45. Tapos ayan, number sa Highway 10 to Highway 45 New London. Haba pala nito. Detour. Okay, so dito, rito. Kanan tayo rito. Stop. Stop for the stop sign. Yes! Ito yung nakakaano yun. Ang daming mga pulis dito eh. Ayan o. Dito, south. Tapos meron pa nakalagay na Pine High, sabi niya. Kapag may mga bata, 25 lang ang speed limit dito eh. So pag 25, nasa 40 lang na 40 km per hour. Ito 25 miles per hour eh. School zone. And school zone. South 22, 110. Yan. Pasikot-sikot. Guys, so Junction 54, which is yun ang sabi ni ni boss. Ay hindi,
Turn left at the stop sign.
Highway 10 to number 10. Sabi niya, ito po 54, ito is 54. Sanggala 45 tayo, hindi tayo pwedeng kumaliwa. Lalayo na naman tayo. Lastik kakanan naman ako dun sa ano. Malay-layo ito ah. Meron siyang sign dun, road plus oh. Paktay tayo, kaya pala. Magre-reroute na naman itong aking GPS. Ilan na naman kayo may dadagdag? Tayo! Puta, another 23 miles na naman. Ayun o, dito, South 45. Sinusundan ko lang yung sign na yun, guys. Kasi doon, sarado, road close. Mga pulis pa doon. Dahil narating ko ha. Wala naman kasi sa ayos to si Diyos eh. Dapat sinabi na niya kanina eh.
Continue on Highway 2254 110.
Visit naman yun. Sana hindi niya mapanood. Wala sa ayos. He should tell me right away. Hindi yung kakanan na malapit na ako sa kanto tsaka pa siya magte-text sa akin naman. Ngayon, hindi ko alam. Dapat doon daw ako sa kabila dumaan. You should have went through Steven Points. Eh kung doon pa sana sinabi na niya sa akin eh, hindi na ako dito nagpaikot-ikot pa. Mababa na naman yung 10 gallon ko dito. Mahal na nga ng crudo eh. Sala. Sala ka Diyos, sala. Anyway guys, sundan ko lang yung sign. Alright guys, so riniplyan ko nga si Boss Joss. Sabi ko dapat sinabihan mo na ako kanina pa para nag-detour na ako. Kasi tinext ko siya kanina yung morning call ko eh. Sinabi na niya dapat hindi yung eksakto dun sa kanto tsaka kung ma-receive yung text niya. Makikita mo naman yung oras kung anong oras niya sinidyan eh. So sabi dito, ito, South
At the
45.
roundabout, take the third exit to Wisconsin 22.
Kakaliwa tayo pag ganun. Ang GPS ko gusto niya umikot akong ganito pabalik doon, hindi pwede. Sarado nga doon eh. So, South 45. This is not far. This isn't far. Malaki-laki konsumo ng crudo rito. Ayan, dito. Tapos, sunod is Highway 10 na. Ayan, dito South, diretso. Makikita na naman natin yung yung sign nila doon. Palalayuin mo pa ako dito na talaga. Layo pala yung dinitor ko pa. Ang layo pala yung dinitor ko guys. Palastik. Abot yata ito ng mga 60
In
miles.
1.25 miles, take the ramp on the right
Oh, ito
towards
kung
Stevens
tinitignan ko
Point.
sa sa GPS ko rito.
In 1 mile, take the ramp on the right towards Stevens Point.
Another 22 miles na naman.
Wow!
Mga 60 miles pala itong detour na to. Walastik. Okay, so dahan-dahan lang kasi babasahin natin yung detour sign dito. Basahin natin. Wala, hindi mo na makukuha sa GPS yan. Kailangan basahin mo kung saan dito yung South.
Take the ramp on the right towards Stevens Point.
West, detour South, diretso. Hindi ito kasi papunta ron niya, palayo na ako eh. Doon sa kabila, papaikot, pabalik tayo ron. Dito. Ayan, Highway 10 East.
Turn left on US 10.
Ayan, basta kapag ka nagdi-detour kayo guys, hindi na makukuha dito sa cellphone, sa Google or anything. Wala na rin dyan. Titignan nyo yung mga sign nila oh. Oh, yan. Titignan nyo yung mga sign nilang yan. Kapag ka nagdi-detour kayo, wala na sa GPS yan. Yan ah, kapag ka nagustuhan nyo tong vlog ko, mayroon kayo natutunan yung mga sinasabi ko sa pagdi-detour, kindly share and drop a comment. Let me know what you thinking. Tama ba itong mga ginagawa ko or hindi? Sinusundan ko ba yung mga sign? Kasi sign talaga yan. Wala na sa Google Map yan. Hindi nila ina-update sa Google Map yun. Yung iba minsan ina-update nila pero yung iba hindi. Maglalagay sila ng sign. And another 19 miles. Tayo. Ano?
In 4.25 miles, take exit 260A on the right to County Route X North.
Dito South 45, diretso na yan.
Take exit 273 on the right to US 45 North.
And dito, wala stick. Dito sa dito na ito. Dito na ito. And dito, so ibig sabihin dito na ito. And dito rin nakita natin eh. So ibig sabihin, susundan ko na to siguro GPS ko rito. Papunta sa New London. Siguro, sa kabila kasi siguro. Wala talaga daw sa kabila eh. May 13 miles pa rito. Makarating tayo sa New London. Tayo. Tayo. Kumonsumo tayo ng mababa yung 15 gallon. Nakahal pa naman ang crudo. Nakita nyo kaganina, no? Yung ano? $5.30. Tapos 15 gallon. USD pa yun. 15 times 5 eh. Aba. Mapalo pala tayo ng ano. Mapalo pala tayo ng kula-kula 100 yata. $75. Road close to through traffic 1 mile ahead. Wala stick guys, baka mamaya pagdating dito wala pang dadaanan. Malapit na ako 6. Ito 6 miles na lang eh. Malapit na ako. Pag Sabi sa ano, 10 kilometer na lang dun eh. Maraming sumusunod sa akin dyan, oh. Maraming sumusunod. Sinusundan ako. Road close ahead. Ayan, oh, mga sign, road close ahead. Road close 1,000 feet. Road close 500 feet. Road work next 8 miles. Ito yung sign niya. Road close to through traffic 0.3 miles ahead. Tanda lang tayo. Patay. Sarado. Ay, tragis. Saan tayo dadaan nito? Ay, ito, kakaliwa ako dito. Kaliwa tayo rito. Road close. Ang dami, ang layo ko ng inikutan. Tapos ano, road close. Ikot tayo rito. Tapos may weight restriction pa rito, guys. May limit pa yung restriction pa nila. Traffic from right does not stop. Okay. May restriction pa. Malapit na ako, mga 7 miles na lang ito. Diyan tayo dapat sa kabila, guys, dadaan eh. Yan ang pinaka main highway, ito service road.
In 2.5 miles, turn left on East Beacon Avenue.
Subukan ko mag-check-in doon sa loob na kung pwede ako mag-park sa loob ng ano, guys, sa loob ng compound na dideliver natin bukas. Sana papasukin tayo. Dito na tayo sa dideliveran natin. Susubukan ko mag-check-in dito. Kung pwede tayong matulog ngayon dito. Otherwise, maghahanap ako ng pwede kong mapagparkingan. Guys, dito na tayo. Alright, mag-check-in lang ako sa loob, guys. Subukan natin. Hindi, lalabas tayo. Hi! Can you take me in today?
What?
Can you take me in today? Canada Loan.
No, we're not open today. The QA people that have to come in on sign off on paperwork don't work on Sundays. They don't get here until around 6 in the morning on Monday, so tomorrow. And I have no clue where the nearest place for truck parking is.
No, because you London is flood right now. I have to go to
because
Highway 110, 22.
Yeah, because everything's flooded in town, so there's no way of getting on the other side of town right now. So
Is
I
there
have
any
no-
way that I can just sit down?
I cannot approve that because the city doesn't want people parking on the road.
No,
but
I mean in the parking area here.
we don't allow any parking here. No, there's no parking inside this parking lot. That's all our parking is back in the plant, but you have to get signed in before going through the gate, and they're not here until Monday. So I
I
don't
have my
know
paperwork here.
Well, yeah, but the QA people have to sign off on it. They're not here until 6 in the morning, so they can't sign off on any of the paperwork.
So you cannot help me where to park?
I have no clue. I have no clue where it's open. I have no idea where any place is. I don't leave out of town. I had to drive an hour and a half, even though I live on the other side of town. to get to work.
What happened? Why is it Why is
The
it
river
flood?
flooded.
River?
A river flooded. Yeah, a dam broke and the river flooded.
Also, the dam broke the
Yeah,
river.
a dam broke or over flooded, and it flooded the entire river, which was middle of our town.
So I have to come back. Then I have to find a place.
Yeah, I don't. Like I said, I don't know where the nearest place is. Normally, I tell people to go to the truck stop, but that's on the other
Yeah,
side
on
of
the
town.
other side, and then it's flooded, so
Yeah.
you cannot go in there.
Yep. Yeah, I have no idea where any other.
So I
truck
cannot
parking
get
is.
inside also because
Yep, QA
plant
people
is
have to sign
closed.
off on it. Yep.
I cannot stay here too.
Yeah, no, they don't allow any parking inside the main parking lot.
Even in here.
No parking inside the main parking lot at all. Nope.
Alright then, I have to come back then. Alright guys, yan. Wala tayong magagawa. Hahanap ako ng saan ako makaka. Pagkasabihin sa akin ng pulis, kung may pulis na magpapaalis sa akin, wala na akong mahanap sir. Sabi ko, pagbigyan nyo na ako, bahala na eh. Siyempre, wala na rin naman tayo. Hindi tayo pwedeng dun. So putulin ko the vlog ko guys. Maghanap na lang ako kung saan ako makakahanap. Guys, thank you for watching. Mag-ingat kayo. Katulad ng sinasabi ko sa inyo, hindi na yan talaga pupunta o hindi mo makikita updated sa Google Map yan. So dito sa lugar na to, dahil yun sinabi niya, yung dam, yung tubig sinira yung dam, kaya nag-flood yung whole town of New London. So mag-ikot-ikot tayo, nakita nyo naman, kaya hindi mo makikita sa Google. Ngayon, itong ginawa kong video ito, sundan nyo lang yung mga detour na sign sa gilid ng kalsada guys, at yun ang pinakapalatandaan nyo kung saan kayo pupunta. Pero ano nyo pa rin yung GPS nyo sa truck, kasi magre-reroute naman yan. But all you have to do is watch out yung detour na mga kalsada, yung sign yan. Kung nagustuhan ang vlog ko guys, thank you for watching. Kindly share, drop your thoughts in the comments. I love you all guys, peace out. Harap muna ako ng pagpaparkan ko para ngayong gabi, at babalik ako rito alas 6 umaga. Bye bye, love you all.
Lakay Tracker.